how to use Temu referral code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically use your Temu referral code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to return or maybe just use your Temu account's referral code that you might have received from a friend, it's actually very simple. Go to temu.com, or you can also choose to open the Temu app, where you have to click your account icon from here and just hover your mouse icon over it. Then you'll find this option known as coupons and offers. Make sure to select it. Once you select coupons and offers, you can simply enter the coupon code or maybe the referral code, any type of code that you have, and then just click the apply button here, and then you'll be able to apply them successfully to your account. This way you can use a Temu referral code. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.